Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Lucid Motors Assembly Plant. This is the 1st of August. It's taken me a while because when I shot this video, I might have mentioned in my Nikola video that I had it defaulted to an HI 265, and that's a high compression frame rate that my computer would not do, and I finally found a way of transferring it to rendering it to a video that I could actually use, since I use Premiere. But anyway, on the other side of the parking lot, you're going to see there wasn't that many cars. There was parking for people that actually worked in the assembly plant. And I'm shooting low here with the Air 3, and look at the right. You're going to see the DC. I didn't notice those before. Those are DC chargers there for their cars. But it seemed like about every slot was filled. Now, this is where they set up the cars to be transported to dealers or individuals if they have direct sales. There's only a few spots available. And unfortunately, there are no Gravities, the new SUV that they're coming out with. That has 440 miles of range, which would be exciting to see. But they are working out the production on their assembly line. But you can see almost every slot is filled. There's only a few vacant slots. Those are all ready to go out. And Lucid makes a very fine car. Now, I do not have any stock in Lucid, which I do in Nikola, but not in this company. I don't. They're backed by the Saudis investment fund or something like that, so they have plenty of money. And one thing I did notice as we come over here, these are where the transports are. Now, this is on a business day that I shot this, but there are no transports. And as you look to the north, that's northwest side of the assembly plant, you can see some of the materials that they're working on. And as we come back around, we're going to look closer at the cars that, interestingly enough, the last time I was here, they didn't allow people that worked on the assembly line to park initially. As we come around here to the east side of the building here, we're on the south side of the building. On the east side of the building here, they have parking for the assembly line workers, which surprised me. Because last time I was here, these were all full of Lucid cars. And this is the parking lot you're seeing right here. Now, I'm traveling along this road that has the high transmission lines. They're about 110,000 volts, and I'm just skimming right above them. And I wasn't watching close enough when I was shooting this, and you'll see as I tried to track back. Now, these are all the cars that are waiting to go to the other side of the building. Now, I drop down, and you're going to see a line come here, the transmission line that I scooted. There it is. And here I am going back. I am so close to this transmission line, as you saw the post right there. And I didn't realize it because I really wasn't watching. I was looking with screen. I wasn't watching the drone itself. And I make a false move because I'm trying to zoom in a little closer to get a little bit of better shot. And that's a mistake because I hit one of the transmission lines with and the drone goes kawampus right there. And anyway, I got the drone back. I only damaged one propeller. But this is the difference between, this is a shot with a Mavic Pro, my old one. And see the quality difference is incredible. But anyway, we're going to be back in October and shooting and see what's going on. We should have some Gravities by then when I come back to Arizona. And just here for a few days. But anyway, thank you for watching, and we will talk to you later.